what the future of finance might look like? What if I told you it's already here, quietly reshaping the way we handle money? Hi everyone, this is 𝐓𝐈𝐌𝐄𝐒 and welcome to the world of decentralized finance or DeFi with soft tricks. Picture this, a financial system without banks or intermediaries where transactions happen directly between individuals, powered by secure distributed ledgers. Well, DeFi is at the forefront of financial innovation, leveraging secure distributed ledgers to transform traditional banking practices, with projections indicating that the DeFi market revenue will surpass 28 billion by 2024. It's clear that DeFi is significantly challenging the established centralized banking model by eliminating intermediaries like banks and financial institutions. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? But what exactly is DeFi and why is marketing it so crucial in today's rapidly evolving financial landscape? Decentralized finance or DeFi refers to smart contract-based applications that aim to recreate traditional financial instruments without the need for intermediaries like banks or central authorities. Imagine being able to lend, borrow, trade, and earn interest on your assets without needing a bank. That's what DeFi enables. For instance, in DeFi lending, users can loan or borrow cryptocurrency much like they would with flat currency at a bank, earning interest as lenders. Interest rates fluctuate based on demand, and borrowers must provide collateral with other crypto assets. The beauty of DeFi is that lenders and borrowers don't know each other's identities. Everything operates on mutual trust and privacy. Unlike traditional banks, DeFi platforms don't hold borrowers accountable with physical assets if they default on a loan. Bitcoin and Ethereum were the original DeFi applications controlled by large networks of computers rather than central authorities. Today, the DeFi landscape is dominated by apps mostly built on the Ethereum blockchain. For example, the DeFi lending space is led by Maker, Compound, and Aave. Maker aims to be a global currency that is unaffected by central banks, while Compound and Aave function like crypto versions of money market funds, allowing users to earn interest. Other notable DeFi services include platforms like 𝐓𝐈𝐌𝐄𝐒 for betting on event outcomes, Synthetix for creating and exchanging derivatives of real-world assets, pooled together for no-loss lotteries, and stablecoins like DAI and USDC, which are pegged to the US dollar. Now let's understand what is DeFi marketing and why is it so important. DeFi marketing is a multifaceted effort, employing a range of tailored strategies and services specifically crafted for various sectors within the decentralized finance ecosystem, from decentralized lending platforms to decentralized exchange, stablecoin issuers, yield farming platforms, and decentralized asset management platforms. Each segment demands its own unique approach to effectively reach and engage its target audience. In blockchain financial services, effective advertising plays a crucial role in attracting the right users to DeFi platforms, precisely when they're most receptive. Now, let's talk about the reasons you should invest in marketing for your DeFi projects. First is driving market growth and attracting users. Effective marketing initiatives capitalize on the burgeoning interest in DeFi, showcasing benefits to attract users, fostering adoption, and propelling market expansion. Number 2 is appealing to investors and building trust. Strategic marketing draws investor attention, enhancing project visibility and credibility with the DeFi ecosystem, instilling confidence and fostering trust among stakeholders. Third is gaining competitive edge and fostering community engagement. By differentiating DeFi projects from competitors, marketing strategies position them favorably and foster community engagement, feedback and collaboration, driving innovation and growth. Number 4 is expanding the market and ensuring regulatory compliance. Marketing promotes the accessibility of DeFi, expanding the market while educating users about regulatory compliance, ensuring legitimacy and navigating frameworks effectively. Number 5, highlighting innovation and enhancing liquidity. Marketing initiatives spotlight innovative features, boosting liquidity and trading volumes within DeFi ecosystem, fostering vibrant markets and showcasing potential for traditional finance revolution. Number 6, boosting token value and driving partnerships. Effective marketing boosts token value, attracting investment and driving project growth while facilitating partnership and collaboration, fostering synergies and collective expansion. Number 7, showcasing success stories and adapting to market dynamics. Marketing showcases success stories, inspiring confidence and broader adoption while adapting strategies to evolving trends and market dynamics, ensuring sustained relevance and success. As we approach the end of our discussion on DeFi marketing, it's clear that this dynamic domain is primed for remarkable growth and innovation. With a burgeoning user base and increasing interest, decentralized finance is on a trajectory of expansion. Marketing initiatives are pivotal in not only attracting users and appealing to investors, but also in widening market reach. Furthermore, with DeFi protocols boasting over 100 billion in total value logged as of March 2024, the sector's significance cannot be overstated. Looking ahead, agile marketing strategies will be instrumental in fueling continued growth and fostering widespread adoption across the ever-evolving DeFi landscape. So stay tuned, because up next, we will be discussing the top DeFi marketing strategies. Hope you've enjoyed the insights. Drop a like, share your thoughts, and hit subscribe for more expert tips. Thanks for tuning in.